Hi guys, I'm gonna do my yoga on the front porch. I only have a few minutes. My grandkids might already be coming in the back door. It's early in the morning. Well, not early in the morning, but early for me. I'm videotaping myself doing yoga. So I'm going to do the standing cat pose, and again, I did not foam roll. You can come and say hi. Foam roller my my spine yet, so it doesn't really curve. How did you do on your game?
We won.
Yay! 2 out of 2.
3.
3 out of 3. Did you win on Thursday too?
We won every time.
That's awesome. And so now doing the standing cow pose, and again, my spine does not really bend, especially in my shoulder blades. So I don't do my hands on my hips. I push my hand on my spine to feel it curve. You guys want to come and say hi? You have to stand right here.
Mommy, can my sunshine in the car?
Yeah? Okay, and now I'm going to do the warrior pose, which looks kind of like an arabesque maybe. Can you tell me if this looks like an arabesque? Here, I need to turn my light on, even though it's daytime. There, I don't know if that'll be better. If the light will help. I don't know if that light helps at all. It's daytime, so I didn't think I would need my flashlight. But is this kind of like an arabesque? You don't know? You didn't learn that one? Okay, so I have to let go of this hand. You waving to Mama? Laura kisses.
I think she beat.
Yeah? And my head has to be level with my arms.
I think I want to wash up.
My goal is to do 4 breaths without falling over.
I can do it. I can do it, Mimi.
Good job.
I want to sit down.
You can sit down. Okay, I got my, and now this one's a really hard one for me too. So again, doing prayer pose behind my back. My hand doesn't
Bunny,
do it.
running on the sidewalk.
Yeah? You gonna go sing Little Bunny Foo Foo to it?
I forgot how to sing that.
Yeah. So this is the reverse mountain prayer pose.
I don't know how to do that. Squishy. Squishy.
And my goal is to do 4 breaths.
I did it.
Good job.
This is money for Golden Harvest to get food.
Perfect. So today I'm doing it early in the morning. I have a salad day with the grandgirls, and then a supper, and then off to work, and then I have a workshop tonight. So I will be going until probably close to 11 p.m. So enjoy life, everybody.